Nothing like having a nice warm cup of hot chocolate when it comes to the colder times of the year. Oh my god, I can't speak. So, what was that? I can't speak, that's... Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a full get ready with me. This is just off the cuff. I'm going to literally just be doing a random look. I haven't planned this. I literally just sat down and was like, you know what, I'm going to do a get ready with me. And I have also some questions as well, because on my Twitter, I'll have that linked down in the description box by the way, I asked you guys for some questions and I haven't done that, and that was about a month ago as well. I was going to do a Q&A, but then there's not really enough for a full Q&A, so I'm going to kind of do it mixed in with the get ready with me. So I have 7 questions, that's it. So also my brows are done because I spend so much time on my brows, and I just thought, you know what, it's gonna take up so much time that it's just pointless, so I've already done them. So we're not spending ages, and I'm not spending loads of time like annoying you guys with my brows, so they're already done and dusted and ready to go. Yeah, it feels weird being on camera again, because I feel like, you know, when you leave it for a while and it's like when you come back it's a little bit weird and getting used to the camera again. The reason for me being gone for a while is because I have been like extremely tired, because obviously with my CFS, where I've been at this new specialist place. Oh my god, I look so red on that camera. It's fine, Sinead, it's fine, just chill. But I've been at this new place that is for CFS specialists, and I can't find my foundation. Here she is. And they basically have been saying that that basically I've got to reduce the amount of sleep that I have. So basically where I wake, basically on my days off of my home tutoring, I usually sleep until about like 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning, because I'm so tired. What am I doing? Because I'm so tired and stuff. And they're saying that I have to basically wake up at 9. No, they're saying 8, but I'm doing it at 9 to kind of put it down. So it's been flooring me, and on top of that I can't sleep in the day, or I am, but I'm only allowed a 20 minutes, half an hour sleep. So yeah, I've been really tired, so I've been finding it hard to just kind of get through the days. So I'm really sorry that I've been gone for a while. So by the way, the foundation that I used is the Maybelline Superstay. Love this foundation. This is in the shade N00, basically the lighter shade. I've used this in a couple of videos now. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer now in, I was about to say the lightest shade, but this isn't the lightest shade anymore. This is in C1. How have you guys been this week though? I hope you've had a lovely week. What have you guys been up to? Let me know in the comment section what you guys have been up to this week, because I've been a bit let me know in the comment section below. Also, I've got this to act as a mirror, because there's got a mirror in there, because my mirror is behind you, so I can make sure that I'm in fake. Oh my god, I can't speak today. So now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Bake and Finish powder. Looks like that. I will hopefully have everything linked down in the description box below. Yeah, so I'm literally just going to pack, well not pack, but I'm just setting it under my eyes. That looks really white right now, but you know, it's fine. I should probably start answering one of those questions. So, what question do you have first? Best place you've been to? Best place I've been to? I would probably say Kent. So basically my aunt lives down in Kent. We went down there when I was younger, and we've been down there a few times. So yeah, that's probably the best place. It's down by the beach, and it's so nice there. Honestly, if you want somewhere to go in the UK, that is such a lovely place. So yeah, either that or Cornwall actually, because when I was in primary school, you do like a residential trip, and our residential trip was to Bude in Cornwall. That was such a lovely trip. Yeah, either one of those two would probably be my best place that I've been to. By the way, for the look that I'm wanting to go for, I'm thinking of a brown, warm kind of brown smoky eye, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be doing the look with the palette. Sorry, my voice keeps on cracking, I don't know why. I'm going to be using the Reloaded New Trials 2 palette. This is so nice. It looks like this. It's got such nice warm tones, which is why I thought it was perfect for a nice warm look. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and use a mix of this one here and this one down here in my crease. So just a mix of them two. I'm now going to go ahead and use this a mix of this shade down here. It looks a bit darker on camera for some reason, but this darker shade down here mixed with this kind of more this one up here, and I'm going to do this all over the lid. I'm thinking using this all over the lid, just where that's pigmented. Hi. I'm loving these two put together though. The colour that I'm getting right now is so pretty. It is honestly so nice, these two put together. I don't know the names of them. They don't have the names put on these shadows, so I can't exactly say the name, but hopefully you guys can see which ones I was using. I'm just packing it. The brush that I'm using to do this is the base shadow brush by Real Techniques. But yeah, these colours are so pretty put together. The thing is, I haven't really done a whole look with just this palette. I've usually been going towards some other looks, but this for a full look is honestly so pretty. It's so nice, so pretty and so voluptuous. Alright, so we should probably go on to another question. The next question is, any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Her name is Ali. She is a Staffy cross boxer. She's the most beautiful thing in the world. But I'm going to put some pictures on the screen of her because she's so beautiful. And then I used to have 2 gerbils. They weren't just mine, they were obviously like all of ours, but I had one called Joey and one called Rocky, and Joey passed away. He was like a cream coloured one. He passed away last November, and then Rocky, our other one, he actually just passed away just over a month ago. So now I only have a dog. I can't remember if I've mentioned it before, the name of this, but it's actually it's a Galaxy hot chocolate. Oh my god, I am obsessed with Galaxy chocolate. I think we got it from Tesco's. Yeah, I believe it's Tesco's that do them, but it's so good. I'm loving this look. The next question is, who is your fave YouTuber / social media influencer? First one being Jordan Lipscomb and James Charles. I love like how he does his makeup, it's so good. I just realised I haven't even gotten rid of the baking powder yet. You know what? We're going to do that now. How far into it? We're only 24 minutes, guys. I think it's because I didn't do my brows in the video, because otherwise we'd still be sat here with only brows done. I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner on my waterline. I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I love this mascara for my lashes because I don't have very long lashes and I don't have curled lashes, but this kind of gives the illusion that I have. Can't think. That was my dog. Okay, so So I'm going to go ahead and use the Cheeky Trio palette. I'm going to be using the bronze shade. This is by W7, by the way. And we're just going to go ahead and just bronze. I've been finding that this is actually pretty good for bronzing recently. Hi Hunty, how you doing? I probably still look the same, to be honest. I need some hot chocolate to sip in my mouth. I'm going to be using the blusher from the Cheeky Trio palette. This is a matte blush, so if you don't like matte blushes, this is not the one for you, but this one here. And I like it because it's not like intensely pigmented to the point where you're like, oh my god, I just like made myself a clown in 0.2 seconds. So now we're going to do some highlighting, which is my favourite part. So I've got the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighters. I'm going to be using the liquid champagne one. Okay, let's just like put it on the tip. And I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Blushing Hearts in the shade Iced Hearts. And it looks like that. It's such a pretty highlighter, honestly. I just realised I haven't been answering your questions. Favourite TV show? My favourite TV show is Grey's Anatomy, obviously. Who is your dream creator to collab with and what might you do with them? Ooh, I would probably say either Jordan Lipscomb or James Charles. If it was Jordan Lipscomb, I would probably... Oh, I know. I would probably want her to pick my outfits for a week because I love her style. However, if it was James Charles, I would want him to do my makeup or I would do his makeup. One of those two. Next question. If you won the lottery, what would be the first thing you do? Ooh, this is a hard one because there's so many things that I'd want to do. It depends on how much I won in the lottery as well. Like, it depends on how much I won, and there's so many things that I'd want to do that I don't know what I'd do first. Okay, I think it'd probably be between going on a holiday, because I would take myself and my family on a holiday somewhere. Maybe Italy, because I love Italy. My family loves Italy. Probably take them. Or I don't know. It's definitely probably put it into a charity. So say like cancer research, or even something to do with the illness I have as well, maybe like for their research into it, because I know that they need to do a little more research. Do a holiday, charity and save. I don't know what else I do, but I don't know which one I do first. Okay, so the next one is any recommendations for small the recommendations for small YouTubers. I have 4 that I watch. Now it depends on what you define as a small YouTuber. If you're saying like 100k or less, then I would only have 3. But if you're saying like about 150k or less, then I'd have 4. But we're gonna say them all anyway. So the first one would probably be Abby Danielle, About D, Fun Ellen as well, and the other one, which is a bit more, she's called Angela Bright. She does, if you're looking for eyeshadow only tutorials, she's the one to go to because she does so many different eyeshadow tutorials. Like there's like hundreds on her channel to choose from like natural looks to crazy looks. So so yeah, and I think she's like 138k, something like that. So she's not particularly small. I'm just doing my lip now. I've got a couple to combine. I've got the super matte, so the one I'm going in with first is the super matte liquid lipstick by Primark in the shade Kendall. Then I'm going to go in with the not Makeup Revolution, the MUA Lip Switch Matte Shine Duo in the shade Brown Bay. This is an old one, so I don't know if they still sell these. And then the the MUA Power Power Acrylic in the shade Wondrous. I'm going to go ahead now and do the final thing, which is to spray my entire face. I just sprayed my face with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. Love that stuff. So this is the final look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment down below what you want to see next from me. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I think that's it. See you next time, guys. Bye. I don't know what you've been told, but this guy right here is